All right, guys, check this one out. This is a custom fitted grill that we just had done for a customer. It is a bottom piece, 10 bottom teeth, okay? And it is the 925 solid sterling silver, precious metal. Snaps right on the teeth there. It's made from an actual impression of the customer's teeth. So it's a perfect fit. Snaps right on like a glove, made especially for our customer. 10 bottom teeth, guys. You can get yours on our website, blingcartel.com. It's made from an actual impression. We send you out a mold kit, bite down on it, and you mail it back to us. From that impression, the jeweler will make the grill. Beautiful, handmade. Check us out, guys, blingcartel.com. Thanks for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.